Hey guys, Xander here with Hoosier Pokemon and India Frozen Yogurt for a daily pack opening. Today we got Scarlet and Violet. Let's get this baby open. Awesome, we got a code card. Baby, Growlithe, Staravia, Ralt, Rock Chestplate, cool. Awesome. Team Star Grunt, super cool card. Love disruption like that. Reverse, ooh. Got the Illustrator Fight Out and Hollow Reverum. Awesome, awesome. So make sure you guys subscribe for more daily pack openings. Giveaways coming soon. Hit that notification bell. And these packs and more will be available on our store soon.